This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches.
There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Make it Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy.
It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto. Crypto, no more.
If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high.
Wall Street. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. You want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day, you hit that like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about going to the moon, and we're going soon. Gentleman who worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange on Wall Street. Here we go. Interested in the ApeCoin? Want to learn a little bit more? We're going to talk about that, do a little TA on it, see where we think this might be headed. As, of course, none of these videos are financial advice. Just a gentleman, twice as nice. So pay attention. Definitely to mention this is my strategy only. I want everyone to understand. Let me get out of the way so you can really understand what we're going to talk about here. ApeCoin has been doing some things about it. Well, ApeCoin is for the Web3 economy. Everybody knows on my channel we're huge with Bitcoinami. Understand? So hit that like and subscribe. We do the researches for you. There are some things to talk about it. It's about the Bored Ape Yacht Club. If you know anything about that, I'm sure you do in the NFTs as it's exploding through the ER20 token. You can get this. You can exchange. You can sell your NFTs. Obviously, these are the hottest things on the market in the crypto NFT space. Every day, we're here for you. So pay attention to what's going on, right? So the Ape now is a governance token. Like we said, ERC20 governance and utility token used within the Ape ecosystem to empower decentralized community building at the forefront of the Web3. So we know Bitcoinami, as far as I'm concerned, is blowing this out of the water. Chat working today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr. DeLuca. What's going on, my brother from another mother? Hit that like and subscribe. We talk about this stuff every day. We know March 17th, St. Patty's Day. What a great day, right? They launched the ApeCoin on to Coinbase, as we know, right? Very exciting. This is a very exciting time. The market cap, the volume. We're looking about 3 billion, almost 3.1. We're trying to get there, but 3.7 in the market cap. This is very healthy. This is very strong, 12.75% in the last 24 hours. They're jumping on the ape train, whatever you may want to call that. This is exciting news if you see the chart down here. So what's happening is it launched March 17th, you may notice, you may have recognized your Binance, you're able to buy some. Coinbase, you're able to buy some, right? So what's happening now? Well, they're getting excited. Everybody wants to pump the coin up. It's been moving. It was overbought. Now it's coming back. It's retraced. We're going to talk about the price. Beerbar.eth, it's getting that serious. If you buy beer with ApeCoin, you get 50% off at the brewery. Thought that was pretty cool. This was March 16th, the day before March 17th. Interesting. Good morning, Mr. Chris. And we're talking about the crypto news. You hit the like and subscribe, right? Don't let the alarm clock snooze. This is the best channel you motherfucking choose. Wall Street Pete. Excuse me with the language. We're a little excited this morning. And if you pay attention, Time Magazine soon begin accepting ApeCoin. Something more to talk about. Time Magazine in April 2021 that it will be accept Bitcoin, XRP, ETH, and Doge as payment. Well, now they're speaking about it. They're talking about how they're going to accept the ApeCoin. So pretty exciting. Membership services. ApeCoin is a utility and governance token. We know all about that through the NFT token, so we learned about that. Big deal. We're going to talk about the charts. We're going to talk about a lot of different things and how is the U.S. dollar going to be digital? That's going to be a wonderful conversation at the end. I'd like to talk a little bit about that. But here we go, retracing back. If you pay attention to what they're going to be doing, the allocations, they wanted to show where everything may be going. You might be interested in that. But I'm pretty excited on where I think ApeCoin can go. Pretty excited that it's a top notch. So starting on March 17th, right, there's the claim page. Here you can read through, get into the details. But if you pay attention, can someone fill me in? Do you need ApeCoin to purchase Bored Ape NFTs? That would probably be a great question. No, you need the ERC20. You need the ERC20, Mr. Nicholas. So what you need now is the ERC20, your Ethereum. You'll then be able to transfer over to do so. So you'll need how many Ethereum, whatever it's worth, right? And then you'll be able to purchase it through the NFT, through your cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain. So that's pretty much how that works. What I'm excited about here is that they waited for everybody to get drunk, right? Everybody gets drunk, ApeCoin, all the people who own it, and then they make bad decisions, right? Well, this is probably what happened. So we're going to go in it. Everyone's excited about the chart. This is the chart that I have currently from Coinbase. So since they let it out, and if you do see here, obviously, magically, March 17th is the bottom of the time frame, so it matches up. It correlates perfectly. Where we're going here is Cardano and ApeCoin. We're going to do the top two movers today. As you can see here, we were looking pretty good and pretty strong. Trending, right? What was trending? Well, ApeCoin was up top. It was about 13% when I first last seen. We're having a little retracement now with everything. No big deal. Volume is kicking in 29, so in Bitcoin, and we're still fighting to break above the 20, so that's insane. But the money's coming in. So what I wanted to go over with now is we're forming a double top pattern, 14.3. You can see it here, clear as day. There is a resistance on this token. Could have bought it when it came out, right? $10, $9. It was a good buy. Well, now, if you see here from this very little bit of time that we have, there is a $10.50 resistance / support. Obviously, we're above the price, so we're currently going to look to see, do we create support there? Well, what's the first mechanism? What's the first confirmation, Pete? I need to find out what's going on. This is a 4-hourly on TradingView. This is the ApeCoin, the ERC20 token. And right there, if I put there, that is the price, that dot, $13. So there's a support short term for ApeCoin. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, hit the like and subscribe. Going on a ride, going to the moon and going soon. We're going to try something new here. Each day we're going to do something where we can perhaps get the next best coin, get the next best jump. Is there a jump? Is there a fall? This is something you're going to want to know. This is something we're going to have to basically scrape out here. It's like skinning a cat. There's not much here, see, right? We don't have much love. So I'm going to go to the 15. Now we're going to have something to work with, right? So we're going to have to work it. It's really tough. This is something tough to establish. I'm paying attention. Good morning, Mr. Anwar. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Paying attention to the relative strength index on the bottom here. We're at the bottom in the 15-minute chart. So I'm trying to say within the short-term time frame, it's telling me there's a cup and handle that may have finished, and it actually makes sense, right? If you look at this chart on the 15-minute, there's a cup and handle on obviously the other charts besides the 15-minute, there was. So we're at the bottom of the RSI looking bullish there. That's just one indicator, of course, right? Volume, looking at the bottom, well, we already know the volume is 3.1 billion. Plus the market cap is 3.7 billion. We're looking to flip a new price here. What are we looking to do? Well, we're looking to see something called an upward W. So when we're done doing that, that's what you're considered to be seen. That's what happens in this market. This is what happens when word of mouth starts flipping. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to find an hourly, which is what we're watching, the 15-minute now. I'm going to get another indicator out. We're going to do the EMA ribbon with the Bollinger Bands. I want to see if this is a real push to the upside, of course, and this is what we look for in the crypto market, and we're looking at charts. Do the indicators match up? Does it look bullish to you? Is it bullish? Well, the trend is your friend, right? Well, March 22nd, and this is a 15-minute chart. Please keep this in mind. The EMA ribbon, we have crossed over the EMA. I look at that, and then I see here, what's the trend? Well, since the 21st of March, which is this obvious 3 days ago, the trend is your friend. We're going up. We're hitting resistance currently at that price, which is the orange, 14.3. This is going to tell you now sooner or later. Let me go look at the ribbon because we're looking at the 15. This is very short-term stuff. Well, guess what? My ribbon is getting really thick here. I'm going to get rid of this so I can see what the hell I'm doing. And it's looking like we're going to get a breakout soon. To the upside or to the downside, I'm not quite sure. But if I were to say one indicator on the RSI gave me an indicator that we were going to go up, right? So the RSI, we had that. Now we got my EMA. Now I'm looking at my Bollinger Bands, and everything is really starting to tell me. If you see that red line, I'm just mimicking this right here, the crosshair to that. We're coming down. So my Bollinger Bands are getting tighter. What happens when my Bollinger Bands get tighter? Well, there's a price action coming. So I do see price action coming. I do see the band flipping, obviously. Look at this. This is bullish. What I'm seeing here is the red band flipped. We may have started getting this red band here. See the flip and you see the yellow coming down to the bottom. There's a chance we can go bullish and come down to this $13 price. If we do so, well, you have to keep that the big picture in mind was this, ApeCoin, and that's what I'm trying to explain to you. There is an upward W coming. There is another shakeout coming. So I'd actually as much want to say as I do believe that there was on the RSI level a breakout to the upside. You do have to understand that we've been down here before at the 18.6, 19 level of the RSIs. We're not there yet, and we're still trying to get there. So if the trend is your friend on the immediate short-term time frame, you'll see that we're continuing to fall. So there's a chance we're going to continue to get that, which is the last shakeout, bounce off this support level of the $13 as we've seen a couple times flip in the cup and handle. So maybe the cup and handle's not done. So that's ApeCoin. If anyone's interested, I hope maybe that gave you some good knowledge. Hope you're excited about that. I am. There is a lot to learn about the ApeCoin. As like I said, it's a governance token to help support transactions for the actual NFT. Ethereum NFT. So that's exciting. The Ape is actually an exciting NFT, as it's the most exciting. If you want to really argue about it, you could debate about it. But we want to talk about, is the U.S. dollar going digital? This is an older article. Yes, it is. I just watched Jerome Powell, and just had a big video, and I'm going to put it up on Instagram if anyone's interested. Maybe we'll go over tonight because we're going to be doing active. I'm going to be doing 2 videos, 3 videos, 4 videos. It doesn't really matter. We're going to talk about 2 coins a day. So we got Cardano next to end the show. And then I'm going to come on in a little bit, and we're going to talk about 2 more. And if you want to, this is up to you. Every time I say this, I feel like I get zero help. And I don't mean to sound negative here because that's not what we're about, right? Put in the comments section after the video's over. Tell me what token, or during the video, what token do you want Wall Street Pete to break down today? So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to pick my own if you do not. Cardano is next. Digital Jerome Powell. He talked about it today. It looks like crypto's not going nowhere. They had a meeting. It was yesterday. I am going to have the video up. Every time I tried to make the video, I got interrupted. It was so annoying. But we're going to have a video today. And please don't poke the bears, right? Please don't poke me. Don't poke the bears, baby. We're going to go on this bull run. And Benny the Bull, you keep howling to the moon, baby, because I'm excited. We're going to talk a little bit more about other tokens. Bitcoin Ami, the Web 3.0 layer. What is this, right? We thought there was a retracement, perhaps. And I said if there was a retracement, we would go. We did not do that. Apparently, staking is very important in the Cardano world. So that's very exciting for you. That's very exciting for me. What we're looking at for the next move, why I do believe there will be a retracement coming soon. Nothing goes parabolic. Pay attention to that. This is Cardano on TradingView now. So TradingView, we have to fix our lines. This is the 4-hourly. So I'm looking at support here exactly at the 101. There definitely is support at the 101. We'll have to probably see there again. So we got some Jasmine, so maybe we'll do that on the next video. I like that one. That's a great idea. I'm going to put that down right here on my pen and paper and write down Jasmine. How could we forget that? That's really a good one. So that will be the next segment. The next segment does have Jasmine included. Hit the like and subscribe if you're interested in that one. You can thank our friend over here, Yazin. What's up? Good morning to you. Isam. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope I did not butcher your name. I had no disrespect, but we're here for you and you're here for me. Hit that like and subscribe, baby. 194. Cardano is basically the ultimate price of 194. Something happens at the 194. It's a 4-hourly chart, so you can give or take whatever you want. But before we really came and went up to this, we had a struggle here June 1st, 2021. It was the beginning of the month. We had like a dip. And it was a cycle. It was part of the cycle, as I explained to everyone. There's a month added. So if you're excited about this, you're excited about my channel, we have the groundhog's stuck his head out Winter, the bear market is over. We have now the next 4 to 6 months of bull market. So get excited. I'm invited. You're invited. We're all going together. So hit that like and subscribe. I don't know if you really understand. I'm saying this with confidence. It's not a maybe. This is here. The altcoins are here to stay. Altcoin season is here. We talk about some Bitcoin news before we break down the rest of that 194, 195, why I think we're going to go there. Put your money where your mouth is, right? None of your business how much we put in. We dollar cost average. I can show you one for 87 cents. I can show you one for 80, 82, a dollar. I could show you much higher too, $1.37. We didn't even get there yet. But this is Cardano, dollar cost average in. If you're a worker, if you're a man, if you're a woman, and you're investing, there is nothing wrong with DCAing into the market. This is Cardano ADA USD. Pay attention to that. My order filled 100%. Obviously, it was a market buy. We bought it instantly. We knew 84 was good. I said pretty soon 116, 121. You wouldn't believe what we were actually trading at the time, but it was only 110, and here we are continuing to proceed. I'm excited about that. There's some crypto news I did want to talk about. I think I missed. There was some PUBG news. Pretty excited about the PUBG. I thought that was pretty cool. Studio behind smash hit PUBG series will make Solana NFT games. The PUBG Battle Royale series has more than 1 billion downloads across platforms. I know I am one of them, perhaps two of them on my computer, and Xbox One actually played it. Not no more, of course. We don't have time for that. And now its publisher is building on Solana. So March 23rd, you may have read this, you may have seen this. This is very exciting news. Big for Solana. Maybe Solana is going to be the next token we talk about. What about Bounce Token, Litecoin, Chainlink? Chainlink is great at $15. Can you do a review on them? Oh, I love that. That's a great idea. We're going to put that down there. He said Bounce Token. We're here for you. Honestly, this is what I want to do. Hit the like, share, subscribe. This is what we do for our subscribers. And like I said, once we get big enough, we'll be able to do raffles. And you'll see, we're real as steel. I'm not lying about this. It's just we haven't been able to break the 5K, 10K subscriber level yet. Having a little bit of some problems, but that's okay. Stay positive, right? You'll get what you need. One day we're going to feed the poor. You don't even want to talk about what we're going to do for the channel. We want to feed the poor. We want to go to New York. We want to go to PA and help them. But we got lots of things to do before that. So I got Bounce, Litecoin, AVAX, and Link. We could do a little bit of a talk and breakdown on that. But right now I like Jasmine and Solana. If anyone has any other suggestions, please do that and hit this like and subscribe. I believe Jasmine and Solana can be the next move, but Solana is a big one to talk about here, especially with what's going on in the NFT world and how important it is. So without further ado, let's finish this video. Let's do the respected cup and handle formation for Cardano. I'm pretty excited. What I see here is a 194, no doubt, stream coming. Is there going to be resistance? Most likely. Let's be real. Nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes down forever. As you can see, we tested our limits on that. We went to 311. If you had 10,000 shares of 311, could you imagine right now? You're sitting there with 12 grand or whatever it is, right? 12,000, and then perhaps we move up. You're going to have 30,000 by the time we get to there. So pay attention to what's going on in the market, what you can do, how you can make some money coming into this new year. And if you stick with me and you hit the like and subscribe, I have an exit plan. And this time, everyone's going to know. I'm telling the world. I'm telling everyone this exit plan without a plan that you may not even know. Because, see, the problem is we're done in October. And I don't think people understand that. September and October, we're done. And the problem is everyone's going to wait for November for the 69,000 Bitcoin to hit again. Before we go back, I want people to understand this. This is a big, big problem. A lot of you, and this is a big issue, even some technical analysis that don't understand the 5-month, 6-month. If you don't pay attention to my charts and you don't understand what you're doing, you're going to miss out. So this is why you hit the like and subscribe. There's a time where this is going to stop, okay? 69,000, they're waiting for an all-time high on Bitcoin again. It's not coming in November 3rd. You're not getting that. It's going to be October or September. We're getting another 4 to 6 months. You can accumulate as much as you want right now with this up and down motion. But when I tell you 3 months down, and then all of a sudden 4 months up, and then all of a sudden 5 months down, and then we're getting into the April where we're going to start heading up. And consider it up as 50,000, by the way. That's not going to happen until April. Well, guess what? As I hear the birds fly through my window, 7 more days. So we got 1 week, or perhaps even less. No, it's 1 week. You should be excited. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, share it to a friend, and let them know Wall Street Pete might be onto something. And what I expect with the altcoin season and everything around it, I expect 73,000, 76,000 coming through this October, but perhaps September too. So we got to pay attention to which one it's going to be. But when we get there, I will be going like this. I'll be looking left and right. And I'll be taking profits like a maniac. And I hope you're going to be with me because I'm going to be telling you, be careful. As I wrote down here, October, there's something going on. So as we pay attention to the rest of the market, we're going to go to Cardano as this poor son of a bee can't get my attention enough. We're fighting. We're fighting some serious resistance, some serious old support. Back here, well, these were some big drops. Big drops at 101. It was a big deal. This is Cardano ADA, if you're following me. This is the daily chart. Each candle represents a day. It's TradingView. It's free. There are two support levels, main support levels here. Some people may think I'm crazy. This is cryptocurrency, okay? The cryptocurrency market is so volatile, you have to have multiple support levels. You'd be like, oh, wow, I didn't think about that. Yeah, you better start thinking about it. It's very important. The resistance here is automatically 194. I'm beating the whales. I'm out of here. You don't want to wait for this. You wait for this, they're going to gobble you up at 235. You want to take the 194 and accumulate more. This is my strategy. This is what we're going to do. We got two tokens today. It took almost 20 minutes to talk about two tokens. We had a lot of news. We had a lot of things to speak about. And we're starting a new thing here. So hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I see 194. And perhaps this could be the ugliest cup and handle you ever did see. As I'm trying to show you, I don't think that is it because it will bounce maybe off the 105 and make me look like a hero, as I said. I do believe that's into the cards. That's into the future for Cardano. So if you're on the sidelines, I would not wait. We talked about Bitcoin perhaps going to the downside. Well, we're at the 43,000. I believe by tonight we should be midday, whatever. We should be 45,000 Bitcoin. So we should be fighting 45,000 Bitcoin. If that does happen, this price will probably jump sideways, probably jump a little down, or perhaps just up into the 120. These are the things I'm expecting. You have to understand the market. Once Bitcoin does that, and once Bitcoin does this, I want to explain to you, and this is how we're going to compare every coin I do this morning and every day. But you got to watch what this is doing. It's getting tiring. The money's piling up. The money's piling up. Bitcoin is on every commercial, everything. Crypto is this, crypto is that. Investors and real money is starting to go into the digital assets. Let's be real. This resistance here that we keep hitting at 44.5 is real as steel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a little ridiculous. And even back here, we hit it before we did a major breakout only a few times. Now, understand. That's where the current resistance is now. So 44.5, we break through this. We're going to 48.50K immediately. It's not even a maybe. It's a parabolic jump to the freaking liquidations. It's going to liquidate all of those people. Now, Cardano is jumping out to the upskirt. So let's pay attention to this. I do want to break it down a little better. Cardano does deserve my time. Cardano does deserve everyone's time. If you missed yesterday's video, last night's video, well, Cardano, currently you can now stake on Coinbase, just coin shit or base shit, whatever you want to call Coinbase, because you get mad, right? You can't do what you want to do when it's very busy. It seems like when Coinbase is overflowed, they shut down and you're not able to do any transactions. It drives me nuts too. But please, let's get the likes up to an all-time high. I would appreciate it. That would be the greatest thing in the world. We got a cup and handle looking like we're on the 4-hourly already. It's an ugly one. So if the daily that we were staring at, does seem to somehow do so and follow through on the longer time frame, I'm expecting something maybe similar to that, but if you pay attention, I think we got it already here. So that's why I'm trying to explain to you cups inside of a cup. What could happen? Well, we could get this here. Continuing to the upside, creating an upward W on Cardano. Perhaps we do get the resistance that repeats here the 18th of January and the 27th of December of last year. So coming into the new year, we've been doing nothing but coming down. It was about time we got this parabolic move. Where are we getting it? Well, we're getting it from right about here from the 18th of January when we fell. So it's kind of mirror imaging. This is Cardano ADA. We talked about ApeCoin. If you were interested, go back into the beginning of the video. We break it down. I believe there's a double bottom pattern coming. So that's what to look out for. 105 could be a good accumulation. that's where we're heading. I think 194, 195 is going to be a big test. That's when you're really going to be excited. So pay attention to that. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm pretty bullish. We're going to have to talk about this eventually. There is something happening on the daily for Harmony 1 token. I do like this token a lot. It must break this, of course, the 16.5 cents. But that's for another day. We have Gala we're going to talk about. So Jasmine should be the next one. That is playing a lot of games, playing with a lot of people's hearts right there, doing another double top here. We're going to have to talk about that. Bitcoin Nami's looking nice. Cardano's looking great, $1.16 right now. And I said $1.94. So you may think I'm joking. I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I am not absolutely joking at all. If you are new to the place, new to the channel, you hit that like, you hit the subscribe. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Here we are, all these crazy bastards screaming and yelling in the open outcry pit. I've decided 2 coins a day, 2 coins a segment, not a day. We're going to do a couple a day is what I meant to say. So if you like this channel, you hit that like, subscribe, get ready. Preparing for the next video. Perhaps Jasmine's going to be one of them. Let's talk about Solana. Maybe it's the next one. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. But we're going to do another video shortly. Let me get prepared and set. But this is what it is. This is what we do. So we're here for you. If you like this kind of thing, this is new. There is no channel out there that's going to do this now. So I'm trying to do something different. If you're interested in beads, if you're interested in elements, which I have the Tiger Eye, I'm not selling them, but a good friend of mine is, and it's awesome to have them. I love them very much. It's little Curo Shop. I follow her on Instagram. I do love them, and they are elements, and I do feel good aura. So have a great day. I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. If you're interested in that kind of thing, put in the comments, and I'll lead you to them. It's nothing with me, but they're good people. They live in Florida. Nothing good is in Florida, right? I feel like. But pay attention to what I said today. Hit some screenshots, baby. Let's see where we're going. This will probably hit resistance right here. I'm looking at the daily here on Cardano. There is a great chance it hits it. So if the daily is going to break above this dollar right here, what is this? $1.20. And I said that was coming in my Instagram. So follow us on Instagram if you have not done so yet as we're leaving. Check it out, wallst.pete on Instagram. Check us out. I do believe that this is going to be the stop. I do believe that's where we're at. Check it out. I do love it, actually. There will be some resistance. I believe we do get to 105. So, wow, I didn't realize that was going to happen. Let's go, ADA. So, it's not going to go up forever. But like I said, put in the comment section the next token you want to talk about. I'm going to go check them out. I'm going to do some research. I did like the comment. So, that's what we're doing. I do believe there is a retracement coming. Stop playing games. It's going to hit a couple of retracements at the 120. But, hey, we've been saying 120 was coming before it was even like a buck. So, there we are. I'm happy about that. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto.
We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da.
Yeah.
Ain't no one got it done today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't mean to get everyone off the channel, but have a great day. I'm Wall Street Pete. We love music, positivity, crypto news, technical analysis. Have a great one.